Good morning, children. Let's say today's thought. Janani janmabhumischa swargadapi gariyesi. Janani means mother. Janmabhumi means our motherland. Our mother and motherland are greater than heaven for us. Now, children, we are seeing or learning lesson number 14 of Sanskrit subject Upakarasya Smaranam. In this, we are seeing that Mainak was a mountain, and when Maruti means when Lord Maruti or Hanuman was crossing the ocean, the Mainak wants him to rest on his peak. And the conversation between Mainak and Maruti, and why Mainak wants to rest Maruti on his peak, is given in this lesson. So, up till now we have studied this, that Marutim Prarthayate, the Mainak prays to Maruti that Mahakape alam parishramena krupaya mama kute vishramam karotu. Please take some rest on my peak. In the next paragraph, this lesson is given on page number 47 of your textbook. किमर्थः मैनाकः मारुतेः साहाय्यार्थम् उद्युक्तः अपि सः मारुतेः आशीर्वचनम् इच्छति न खलु एतत्तु उपकारस्य स्मरणम्. मारुतेः तातः पवनदेवः मैनाकस्य साहाय्यम् अकरोत् पुरा. तदा सर्वे पर्वताः सपक्षाः ते आकाशे स्वेच्छया विहरन्ति स्म. सहसा भूमौ निपतन्ति स्म. तेन त्रस्ताः ऋषयः इन्द्रम् उपागच्छन्. इन्द्रः पर्वतेभ्यः अकुप्यत्. सः वज्रेण पर्वतानां पक्षान् छेत्तुं प्रारभत. नाउ किमर्थः मैनाकः मारुतेः साहाय्यार्थम् उद्युक्तः. किमर्थः means why. मैनाकः means Mainak. मारुतेः साहाय्यार्थम् means to help Maruti. Udyuktah ready. Why Mainak was ready to help Maruti? Api sah Marutehe Ashirvachanam Ichchati, was he want the blessings of Maruti? Na khalu, not indeed, means he doesn't want the blessings of Maruti. Then why he want him to rest on his peak? Etattu upakarasya smaranam. This is for remembering the favor done on Mainak. That's why he wants to repay the favor, and that's why he wants Maruti to take some rest on its peak. Marutehe Tataha. Now the story has been told here, that why, which was the favor which has been done on Mainak. Marutehe Tataha Pavanadevaha. The Tataha means father. Marutehe of Maruti. Pavanadevaha means the god of wind or wind god. Pavandev was the father of Maruti. Mainakasya sahayyam akarot pura. Pura means in ancient time, means long ago. Father of Maruti, Pavanadev, helped Mainak. Tada sarve parvataha sapakshaha. At that time, tada means at that time, in ancient time, sarve parvataha, all the mountains, sapakshaha, they have wings. They can fly here and there. In ancient times, all the mountains have wings to fly. ते आकाशे स्वेच्छया विहरन्ति स्म. And since they have wings, te means they means mountains, akashe in the sky, swechchaya as they want, viharanti sma they fly here and there in the sky as they want. But sahasa bhumau nipatanti sma, and suddenly, sahasa means and suddenly came on the land, and suddenly came on the land. By their behavior, by this behavior, to fly whenever they want and to land whenever they want. Tena trastaha rushayah, and all the sages on the earth, they get disturbed by this. So all the sages Indram upagachan, they went to Indra for having the solution of this. They are facing the problem because the mountains have wings there, and whenever they want they fly in the sky, whenever they want they land on the land. That's why the rishis or the sages were disturbed and frightened also because of them. That's why they went to Indra to have or to take the solution of their problem. Indraha parvatebhyah akupyat. He got angry, Indra got angry on or with all the mountains. Sah vajrena parvatanam pakshan chetum prarabhata. Vajrena means Indra has a vajra. In English, the translation is thunderbolt, but we will say as vajrastra there. He has a vajra here, a weapon of Indra. It is called as vajra, and it is called as a thunderbolt also. Saha vajrena parvatanam pakshan. Pakshan means the wings. Chetum prarabhata. He started cutting the wings of per all the mountains. Yada Indraha Mainakah prati agachat tadaiva pavanadevah vegena tam samudratalam anayat. As Indra, Yada means as Indra came to cut the wings of Mainak. Mainak was also a mountain. So as Indra came to cut the wings of Mainak, Tadaiva, at that time only, Pavanadevaha means god of wind or Pavanadev, Vegena tam samudratalam anayat. He takes him to the bottom of the ocean as fast as he can. So that's why he saved Mainak's life. That's why eva Pavanadevah Mainakah Vajrapraharat arakshat. And like this, evam means like this, Pavanadev means wind, god of wind, Mainakam arakshat means like this, Pavanadev or god of wind saves Mainak from the attack of the Vajra or from the attack of the thunderbolt. And this favor was done by Pavanadev on Mainak. That's why Mainakah Pavanadevasya etat upakaram smarati sma means Mainak remembered the favor done on him by Pavanadev or god of wind. And that's why he thought that I can repay this favor by helping Maruti for taking rest for some time. And that's why he wants to help Maruti. Saha achintayat, he thought, he means here Mainak is thinking, Mainak thought or he thought, कृते च प्रतिकर्तव्यम एषः धर्मः सनातनः. कृते च प्रतिकर्तव्यम means whatever favor done for us should be repaid in some or the other way. If somebody is if I am in difficult, I am facing difficult time and somebody help me, if I want some money and somebody help me in kind by giving me some money, I can repay that help. I will return them their money also, but I can repay them the help done by them in the other way also. So the favor done for us should be repaid. Eshah dharma sanatana means this is our eternal dharma or eternal duty. This is our duty to repay the favor done for us. अतः मैनाकः पवनपुत्रस्य मारुतेः साहाय्यम् अकरोत्. That's why Mainak, therefore, Atam is therefore Mainak helped the Maruti, the son of Pavanaputra, means the son of god of wind. Mainakasya atithena Marutihi Preetah. Preetah means pleased. Maruti was pleased by the welcome or the hospitality of Mainak. Tathapi, but he was pleased, Maruti was pleased, but he don't want to take rest and don't want to waste his time by taking rest for accomplishing his work. That's why Tathapi Vishramam Akrutva. Therefore, or in spite of taking rest, he agre sarati, he moves ahead. Agre means ahead, sarati means moves. He moves ahead to karyam siddhartham, to accomplish his work. And in spite of taking rest, he moves ahead to accomplish his work. Means whatever work he wants to do or whatever he wants to achieve, he don't want to waste any kind of time or he don't want to waste his time by taking rest. But Mainak remembered the favor done on him. That's why he want to repay the favor, and that's why the title of the lesson is Upakarasya Smaranam. Children, you will try to write the translation in your copy and of this lesson, and I will send PDF of Bhashabhyas with the translation of all the poetries. Means lesson number 9, 10 and 13, I will send the Bhashabhyas with them or along with this video also. So you will write, whenever I send the Bhashabhyas, you will write it in your copy. Thank you.